Hello, boys and girls. Today we are talking about letters with the same sound. And we are talking about letters E and R. Letters E and R say Letters E and R say Let us now read some words that have the sound. Read them with me. Put the sounds together. Her. The word is her. I see her. Let's read this word. S-I-S-T. Let us now put the sounds together. Sister. Sister. The little boy has a sister. So we know that letters E and R say But there are other letters that also have the sound. Letters E and R say And letters I and R also say Letters E and R say And letters I and R also say Let us now look at some words with the sound, but with letters I and R. Let's sound this word. B-R-D. B-R-D. Can we put the sounds together? Bird. 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 Our word is bird. And here is the bird. Here is another word with the sound of letters I and R. Let's sound it. G-R-L. G-R-L. Put the sounds together. Girl. 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 Our word is girl. Girl. And here is the girl. Let's sound this word. D-R-T. D-R-T. Put the sounds together. Dirt. 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 I see some dirt. Let's read this word. Sh-R-T. Sh-R-T. Put the sounds together. Shirt. 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 Our word is shirt. And here is a t-shirt. let's read this word. Chirp. Chirp. Put the sounds together. Chirp. 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 The bird is chirping. Chirp. Let's read our last word. Third. 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 Our word is third. Third. She came third in the race. Third. Very good reading, boys and girls.